Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel All-in-One LK. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Arduino LED ring design. Before going to the video, please like, share, subscribe and turn on notifications for my day-to-day update. So let's go to the video. First, let's see what we need. We need pixel LED, Arduino Uno board, jumping wires, and fan cover. First, we need to connect jumping wires to pixel LED. Then connect LED plus wire to 5V port. Then connect LED negative wire to GND port. Then connect data wire to digital pin 3 port. Okay, we are all done connecting wires. Let's upload the program. This is the program for LED ring design. You can download the diagram and program below the description. Okay, our upload is done. Let's put pixel LED to fan cover. Okay, all done. Let's how it works. Okay guys, this is the how to make a pixel LED ring design. So guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment about your idea on this video and what tutorial you need. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for my day-to-day update. See you another video.